Are you struggling to dynamically scale threat protection? Whether it's your organization or your managed service, the good news is you're not alone. Go behind the scenes of our customers' deployment and learn how they solved this challenge. In this video, you'll see how Corsa Security helped our customer dynamically scale threat protection, inspect terabytes of traffic at a very, very low total cost of ownership, and in the end, thwart command and control botnets. The setup took just under 2 hours to get up and running. First, the server that will host the Palo Alto Network's VM series devices is physically connected to the network and placed under the management control of the Corsa Security orchestrator. From there, our attention turns to licensing the software firewalls. To do that, the network team uploads the Palo Alto Network's license auth codes within a single screen at the click of a button. The Corsa Security platform then creates the virtual machines, and the software firewalls are brought up fully licensed. The network team assigned the software firewalls to one of two virtual wires using the Corsa Security platform multi-tenancy feature. Wire 2 is a 10 gig link being used by the customer's private NOC, and wire 9 is a 100 gig production link. More specifically, the customer wanted to first inspect specific subnets traversing that 100 gig link. Those subnets are running almost 9 gig at the aggregate peak and settle to under 1 gig during low demand. The network team checks the resource allocation panel to see the status of the firewalls and the number of licenses remaining. The Corsa Security platform ensures they get exactly the CPU capacity and memory needed for optimal performance. The team goes more in depth on the network tab to see the total throughput per wire. Virtual wire 9 is a 100 gig production link, so network connectivity and health of this key resource is crucial. With one click, the network team sees exactly what is happening per software firewall, including the external internet and bandwidth use of their broadband users. The Corsa Security platform dynamically distributes the traffic sessions across the 12 software firewalls to ensure it is evenly distributed for best performance. To check the health of all the software firewalls at once, the network team uses the Corsa Security orchestrator. Alongside the overall health indicator, they can also see IP address, vendor, model, bandwidth, operational status, and even VM uptime. For security visibility and policy monitoring, the network team moves to Palo Alto Network's Panorama. In this case, there's over 300 gigabytes of traffic being monitored. All logs from software firewalls are sent to the Cortex data lake in the cloud. They have full application visibility and full details of the network activity. In the end, the network team uses their existing policy and security tools, providing them a consistent experience. However, it is now software firewalls protecting their network. Their digital transformation is underway. The network team decides to drill down into the threat alerts. Pretty quickly, they see protocols that are not complying with RFCs and various other threat categories appearing. This is the malicious traffic in their network right now. They see spyware being hidden in DNS traffic and a ton of botnets on the network. Within a few days, the network team at our customer site has a snapshot of 6.2 terabytes of traffic, with 500,000 vulnerabilities identified and 5,000 hits of spyware. Imagine if our customer had tried to do this by upgrading their hardware firewalls. That would have taken weeks to get a bigger firewall ordered, delivered, and installed. Instead, Corsa Security platform was up and running in hours. And now, when this 100 gig link gets busier and busier, all they need to do is add another software firewall at the click of a button. It can be that quick and easy for you to scale traffic protection with software firewalls running on a turnkey virtual platform like ours. Learn more at corsa.com.